Hi everyone, สวัสดีครับ from เชียงใหม่ Thailand. Today I will teach you how to wrap the buttons with the leather from this into this and to the project like this, a coin purse or a card case. In this video, I also give you the free patterns. So see the more details link below so you can download the free one. And if you prefer, I also have other patterns to see. You can browse up with the links. So let's see how. So first of all, you just bring the button you want to use and use the sky feather as a measurement. Hold in the position about the midst of the buttons. It is 28 millimeters. We will draw onto the leather. Then you see this one is 28 millimeters. Just place it down. Use the pen or pencil you want. Draw on that. In case for help, place the button in the middle to hold it and just draw the center line. It will help when you place the glue over it. Don't worry if it's not full. That's okay. And then I will cut this one. So I will place the glue into this position. Okay. I use rubber glue. And about this too. Like this. Okay. Leave it until it's dry. Really dry. Then you just put it here. In the middle again. And we will apply glue more onto the underneath the buttons and the rest of this orbit this way, and just have to wait until it's dry again. Then there is some tools helper. I have lots of the circle template like this, so it will help you easier to be fold things. First, hold the buttons like this and find it until you find the smallest one like this. Okay, so this is the smallest one. Get it through, so it will be like the kind of flower thingy, and then I will use the round all like this to help. First, just press down and press down where it go in. Press down. Somewhat is loose like this, no worries. Just force them down again. And the last one. Force them down. Again. Okay. And then put the round all in the middle. Press again. The tip of the round all in the middle. Press again. In the middle. Press it again. In the middle. Press it again. In the middle. Press it again. In the middle. I just use my thumb and finger hole like this. Use the bone folder like this to make it shape round on the outside, and then press it. This time the bone folder will press more wider area than the round on. So the glue on the leather will be attached with the glue at the back of the button easier. There we are. So after we have the buttons, we will test on the project, which I give you the links where the button is. Little dots here. On this position here. And the button, another side, other buttons. Setter, okay. Mallet. Oh, and on the back side scarf here too, because in case of folding, they will help the coin not to be slip off. Give some hinge on it. So thank you for watching and doing the project right along with me. So you can grab the buttons to make the project more where you on it. If you see me as the first time, please consider like, subscribe and share. I will drop a new video every 9 p.m. Thailand time. So thank you again and see you next time.